Now, human development and infrastructure have disrupted wildlife for a pretty long time, but creative solutions have been implemented to try and bridge the gap. Speaking of bridges, Brazil has now constructed green passages and tree-to-tree bridges to save a rare species of monkeys. And our next report gets you the story.
Spread over an area of more than 100,000 hectares, Brazil's Atlantic coastal forest is a home for many unique species. Forests are necessary for the flora and fauna to flourish. They help us in many ways, like helping absorb the carbon from the atmosphere and help produce rain, besides providing us with many raw materials. But these wide swathes of land also at times hinder developmental activities. When roads are built through a forest, it tends to alter the natural equilibrium. The roads tend to divide the forest and thereby hinder the movement of animals. But Brazil has come up with a solution. These special green passages allow animals to freely cross the roads and go on to the other side. One of the species which has benefited from these special pathways is the golden lion tamarin. These rare tree-hugging primates are only found in Brazil's Atlantic coastal forests. The bright-colored creatures are considered the most beautiful out of the 4 tamarin species. Due to human disruptions like the illegal pet trade and habitat loss, this spectacular species was almost driven to extinction in the 1970s, with only 200 individuals left. Almost 5 decades later, golden tamarins were classified as endangered by the IUCN. But by the time of that census, the species' fate had actually improved. Thanks to an international effort to save the species, including a corridor project that reconnected 2 large forests in Brazil, golden tamarins were repopulated in Rio de Janeiro. Still, the peril continued as a yellow fever epidemic killed nearly a third of the population a few years ago. Habitat fragmentation remains a serious threat for the survival of the species.
Currently, we have approximately 2,500 animals, but we do not have a single population in a sufficiently large, protected and connected area with at least 2,000 monkeys. This is our aim, to have an area that permits the circulation of animals in a protected and connected area.
When the Brazilian highway was widened, wildlife passages had to be built to meet environmental requirements. In total, 26 underground passages and 10 bridges were built across the highway, including 9 tree-to-tree passages. The tree-to-tree passages have been fitted with wire ladder-like structures to help animals easily reach them when the trees continue to grow. There is hope that along with these monkeys, other animals could survive in their natural home despite human encroachments. Bureau Report, WION. World is One.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.